What is it?
It's my water.
Oh, you see the waterfall?
Wow.
X marks the spot.
Oh, she loves her dad and brother. He can't hold you both. What? Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, Wailua Falls on the road to Hana. If you're new here, we are the Boylans, and on this channel, Treasure Chest Memories, we share some of our adventure vlogs, hide treasure chests that you can find for free stuff, and have product reviews from time to time. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing and becoming part of the Snowflake Forest Explorers Club. And this is all thanks to Montum Outdoor Gear, who gave us their hammocks that we can give away to you guys, and some inspiration from the jergies. So before we get into more of our adventure, I wanted to be sure and share with you guys about Montum Outdoor Gear, and so I'm going to be linking that in the description below for you guys. And if you have not heard of who the jergies are, I just mentioned them. They're a family that have been traveling to all 50 states with their little girl and burying treasures that you guys can find as well, and I have made a whole playlist of their treasures that they've been finding. Wow, that truck in the ditch.
Kind of like Alaska.
Yeah, we saw that in Alaska too. So yeah, I'll have their information linked in the iCard for you guys above, and that playlist below for you too.
Old info boards.
So much to see. That's crazy, and there's windmills down there. If you haven't been watching us, I'm Iceland, this is Micah, and Lucas and Sindel are in the back. Here we are sharing our message to have heart for one another and the earth, or more simply put, a message to spread more love, or aloha. Aloha. So we are currently cruising up country on Maui, just outside of Kula. We just stopped and took a couple pictures of the sights because this is definitely a beautiful adventure.
You can see the big island.
Yes! So when we were back here in March, we couldn't see the big island, and we didn't continue on this road farther, and we ended up going back down and having some beach day with the kids. We're excited that we can see it today. Lucas is taking a nap, Sundal had one, and she is awake again, and we're super excited to be hiding a treasure chest for you guys, vlogging this adventure. It is a first for us and as a family. If you're coming and doing this drive, make sure you're super careful on this road. It's a one-lane road, and there are stops to pull off and take photos, so just make sure that you're doing so safely and carefully. Like, some people even honk their horns when they're going around corners on roads like these, just to make sure that there are no head-on collisions or no one drives off a cliff. Hey babe, we're not gonna do that today, okay?
Sure.
I think you can tell by the way it
It's still
sounds.
pretty rough.
You love her?
There.
What is it?
It's my water.
Oh, how cool. You want to get out and go take some pictures of it?
We go see?
Yeah. Let's go over there and look at it.
Are you feeling no better? You want to go see the waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What do you see? You see the waterfall?
Wow.
How cool is that, Lukey? Oh, wow. Be very careful, buddy.
Yeah.
Was that so beautiful to see? Did we get some good pictures? Yeah. So I was gonna say that there is a campground about 5 miles up the road before you get to here, where there's a rest area, and they have all kinds of little produce stands through the way. So if you need to get refreshed or to use the facilities, you can. What do you see?
Monkey bar.
What are the monkeys doing? What do you see?
Monkeys swing on.
Yeah.
No, monkey bar.
Yeah. Is there one for you to swing on and Hano?
Yeah.
Those monkeys. Yeah. It's so beautiful through here. We stopped down at the beach. We are on Kogi Beach, which is a red sand beach. Look how cute the little produce area is that they have here with huli huli chicken. So we decided to just stop and hang out here for a while to let the kids run around and get some of their energy out. It's just such a perfect day. Mike has been getting so many hugs lately.
No,
Who eat the bananas?
monkeys sit. No.
Yeah, they do.
Look at this one, Lukey.
They're not having any fun at all. Wow, be careful, babies. Be careful, Lukey, it's coming. Oh. How'd that feel, Lukey?
Here comes the real big one, Lukey. Get it. Get it.
So we made it down to the beach.
Oh, Olena Lena.
And the kids have been running around getting all wet and sandy. And let's get this treasure hid for you guys. These two trees come here and make the perfect.
X marks the spot.
And we're gonna put it along this one. At the bottom of this tree, there is a little spot here. And we'll put it right down in there. You put a leaf in front of it or something?
Yeah. One more should do it.
So when you post that you found this treasure, be sure and tag us so that we know that you've got it. We can send you your free stuff and we can let others know that it's been found. So this treasure chest is going to be good for a jar of Piperweed deodorant, a Monsum hammock, a little felted magnet heart, one of my Snowflake Forest Explorers hats, and a Clover USA crochet hook. And inside this treasure chest are your directions on what you need to do to get all of this. Oh, she loves her dad and brother. He can't hold you both. What? Oh. Ready to go home, babies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get queen. We all sandy.
Yes. Really quick before we end this video, we wanted to say a special thank you to the Traveling Larsons. They went to go find our treasure chest that we had hidden in King Sequoia National Park. And when they got there, it wasn't there. So we just wanted to be sure and remind you guys that if you're finding these treasures, be sure and let us know so we can let others know that they've been found and get you your free stuff. Thanks so much for watching today, you guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Here we are going through this tree.
This is so cool.
This is very cool.
We're literally walking up a tree.
Yeah, it feels more like a cave than a tree.
There's nobody here. And I know exactly where it's supposed to be.
All right, so we're here trying to find the Snowflake Forest Explorer's treasure.
Treasure hunt.
That's where I thought it was.
Huh.
It's not there. So let's refer back to
Maybe it's right there.
the video.
I'm pretty sure you were in the right spot there.
I am too.
Here we are sharing the message to
Goat. Baby goat. Ah! He was cool.
That was cool. I thought I missed him.
He had horns even.
Okay, so I was. The wind is
Hardcore
so
beach.
strong. It's camera blow. Your
Do you
hair
want up
even.
close?